Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Determined Gardener. Do I have a video for you? This is one of the most important videos I have made to date because this video is going to be all about saving you cash. What's some of the stuff you should not buy in those big box stores? Some of the items that are designed, and I mean designed, to waste your money. Some of them are right behind me. I'm going to show you each item step by step on why you should not buy them and why you should just keep on walking and save that money in your pocket, because some of these items are designed to waste your money. So enough talking, let's get to it. The first item and the number one item is, you guessed it, blue orchids. You can see these orchids in many big box stores. They are actually designed to, again, waste your money. Why? It's because this is artificial. This is not the real color.
What?
And eventually, in a couple of months, this will, get this, turn white. That's right, turn white. So instead of buying a blue orchid, you think you are actually buying a blue orchid, you instead are buying a white orchid, because this will turn white. And some of these orchids, the blue ones, are more expensive than the white ones. I paid about $30 thinking that I'm going to get this blue orchid, and in the next couple of months, it will all turn white. If you want a blue orchid, well, you're out of luck, because there's no such thing as a blue orchid. These orchids are dyed. Don't waste your money, just pass on the blue orchids. Number two item that will waste your money, decorative pots like this that are designed to, again, waste your hard-earned money. Why? Well, the saucer is attached to the pot, which means that if you water, most likely all that water will collect at the bottom, which will lead to your plant being overwatered and dying in the next couple of weeks or months. You might as well get a pot that doesn't have a saucer attached. And if you do want a saucer attached with the pot, make sure it is detachable. I guarantee you will end up overwatering your plant, and that plant that you love so much will die. Now, this is a season when lots of people are going to those big box stores and collecting tons of bulbs and seeds, and I'm one of them. But you may want to pass on these type of colored packages. Why? Because you can't see what's inside the package. Sometimes the seeds, and not all, but sometimes the seeds are moldy. Sometimes they're too old, or they're too dry, or even worse, the seed that you expect or the bulb that you expect that's in this package is not actually the bulb. So the best thing to do is get the packages that are clear, where you can see through them, and the ones that actually have holes in them. So again, you can get these packages, but I would avoid getting these type of packages because you can't see through them. Item number 4. I don't even know where to begin with this. Have you seen these in the big box stores? They're beautiful. They come with a variety of succulents. This one is particularly pretty. But the reason why I have an issue with this is because it's glued. That's right, glued.
What?
And the problem is, since it's glued and you can't see the dirt, most likely you're going to end up overwatering. And these are succulents. Succulents like to be watered, but they don't like to be overwatered. You think it's because you have a black thumb. It's not because you have a black thumb. This pot is designed to waste your money. So again, if you see these type of pots, just avoid them. They're not practical. They don't make sense. And take a look at this. I could actually hold this upside down. That's not supposed to happen. This is just a silly design that doesn't make sense, and it's designed to waste your money. So again, just toss it in the trash. Don't buy it. This was 20 bucks. So if you buy something like this, beware, because you will probably end up overwatering and killing those beautiful succulents. Guys, if you're enjoying this information and you're enjoying this video, please hit that sub button, that like button. If you're getting any useful information that I am telling you or advising you, please help support this channel. Just give me a thumbs up or share this video with your family and friends. Again, another one that you should avoid, I'm not talking about the plant. I'm talking about the pot. That's right. Lots of these decorative pots come with pots inside. But again, there's the standing water issue. this does not have any drainage holes. So if you continue to water the plant, you will not know that there's water standing at the bottom because it does not drain. And I can tell you this prayer plant is a fussy little thing. It does not like to be overwatered. It does not like to get overly dried. It's just one of those diva plants. So if you have a diva plant like this one, most likely if you have it in a decorative pot, it's going to probably die on you because it's not getting the right water amount. So again, skip these decorative pots. They're very nice, but in the long run, they're very hard to take care of because you have to really think about how much water you put in, and you have to monitor the water you put in. And who has time for that? So again, they're very pretty, but again, they're not practical for some plants. So guys, thank you so much for joining me on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Again, if you had any useful information from this video, please share it with your family and friends. My whole channel is about gardening and the love of gardening. But again, it's also about trying to save you money because gardening, let's face it, it's not cheap. And to have a beautiful garden, it takes a lot of dough. So I want to save you some green and don't want to waste your money on certain items that don't work for people like myself who are just beginning gardening. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. If you got any useful information on this, you know what to do. Share it with your family or friends. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm still a very small channel, but I am passionate, and I mean passionate about gardening and trying to save you some money so you can have a beautiful garden that is affordable. Again, thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your family and friends. I will be doing more videos on what to look out for in those big box stores or those floral shops or those garden centers that are designed to waste your money. So you don't want to forget, you don't want to miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Join me for the next video, guys. See you later. Bye-bye.